How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi guys, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family. This program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront cost. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral links. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your links, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. So how Shopee affiliate program work? Here is how the Shopee affiliate program works. First we have sign up. Head over the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have share links. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. So the benefits of joining Shopee affiliate program. So why we should join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. No upfront investment. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Wide range of products, millions of products available. You have endless options to promote. Then you have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Then we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. So the first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up. So you have to open your browser and dive into shopee.ph. Before, all you have to do is sign up like that, put in your phone number. You can also use Facebook or Google. If you have an account, all you have to do is log in and find your account by putting your phone number, username, or email. Then you put your password. Then you have to agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to shoppers terms and conditions. After filling in all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. As you can see, you can log in if you have an account and you want to find it. You can also sign up. You can choose the language, hub, notification, Instagram, Facebook, talent, start selling sellers. We have here a various product. As you can see, we have also a various information that could help you. As you can see, enjoy special deals, sales, promos, and discounts. Get free shipping. There's also some free shipping on shop. There are also 6 payment method of choice. Also join in on the fun with Shopee prices. Sell online effortlessly on Shopee. Visit Shopee blog. Then here we have customer service about Shopee, payment, follow us, Shopee app talent. As you can see, scrolling to the top, it's back to the top. Here we have. So if you want something, all you have to do is navigate through the various product categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the product that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like Here I am walking about something like basketball, samba shoes, school supplies, Crocs, mini electric fan, power bank, headphone, and a lot of things. Here we have Shopee styles, shopping malls. As you can see, here we have also have entertainment, baby skates, audio, base care, hobbies, gaming, also motors. Here we have wind. We have also some wind here, as you can see. Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog posts, social media posts, YouTube video descriptions, and email newsletter and more. Then we have to create compelling content when sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here is some example of how to share affiliate links. First we have blog post by writing a detailed review of products and include affiliate links within the post. Then we have Instagram story, share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swear up link to the product. Then we have YouTube video, user review video and include the affiliate link in the video description and mention it in the video. Then we have to maximize your success with the Shopee affiliate program. Here are a few tips. First, we have promote products you love. Focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Enthusiasm will come through and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engage with followers and create content that showcases the products effectively. Create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Optimize your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective. So, are you ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.